Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to install your Cheaper Cash app on your phone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open your App Store on your iPhone. So if you're using Android, you can use your Play Store. So after opening your App Store, tap on the search icon on the navigation bar right here. And then you will be able to see the search bar just like this. Tap on it and start typing Chipper. So after typing Chipper, now tap on the search bar on your keyboard. And then you will be able to see Chipper Cash app just right here. Tap on it. And then after tapping on Cheaper Cash, you will be able to see the Get button right here. Simply tap on it in order to install the app. So here you can see a Face ID will be required because I have put Face ID on my app log. So if you also have put Face ID, confirm the Face ID. Simply double click on the power button. And then you can see the download process has now begun. It will take few times in order to completely download and install on your phone. And just like this, you can see the download process has been completed and now there is the button of open. Simply just tap on this open button in order to open the Cheaper Cash app. And just like this, you can see now your Cheaper Cash app has been opened. And this is how you install your Cheaper Cash app on your phone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.